Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Unit 3, the essay. This oral presentation will focus on the following items. What is an essay? Types of essays. General structure of an essay. Essay outline. Writing the introduction. Writing the body paragraphs. Writing the conclusion. Editing the essay. In the first part of this series, we've covered two items of this outline. What is an essay? And we've discussed also some essay types. For today, we are going to discuss the general structure of an essay, and of course we will go with and also down and discuss the essay outline. General structure of an essay. In a general way, the structure of an essay differs from that of a paragraph. In a paragraph, you have a topic sentence, which is the main idea of the paragraph. You have a number of supporting details, and underneath each supporting detail, you might have also some extents to develop these supporting details. In an essay, you will have a paragraph that is called the introduction. In this paragraph, you'll have to state your thesis, your main idea. Number two, you will have a number of body paragraphs, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe more, in which you will discuss some ideas. And finally, you will have the conclusion. Now, to go into details, to write your essay, you have to plan it first. And you remember during the first semester that we have said we have to have or to practice pre-writing a lot. Pre-writing techniques are plenty, and you can choose whatever pre-writing technique that suits you, like clustering, for instance, or outlining, or brainstorming, or whatever. You just do that before you do the actual writing. With an essay, or when you want to write an essay, you have to structure an outline. You have to write a very well organized outline to express your ideas, which we are going, of course, to discuss. The main point here is that your outline can be general or specific. So when you plan to write an essay, you have to put in mind that your outline could be a general outline, or it could be in the form of a specific, very exact outline. Now, example of a general outline. Let's practice. Let's say that we are writing about this topic, the services of the college's library. And let's suppose that the title of our essay would be something like Our Students and the College's Library. Let's think of a thesis that relates to this idea, and we have discussed this thesis before. Students who visit the college's library can benefit from 3 major services: the internet, the book loan, and the photocopying services. And if you remember, this type of essay was documented as a classification essay. But let's skip types. Let's just talk about the outline. We are not writing now the essay, we are just planning the essay to make sure that all our ideas are put on paper, and then we can proceed to the next step and write the essay. So I'll write a general outline for this essay, and then I will write a specific outline for the same essay, so you will just see the differences and similarities between the two types of outline. A general outline of a 3-paragraph essay. I'll just write an essay that consists of 3 paragraphs, an introduction, a body, 1 body paragraph, and a conclusion. The title would be The Library Services, maybe, or it could be any title you can think of which is related to the content of the essay. In the introduction, this is the outline. This is the framework in which you are going to develop your ideas, and it's a general outline because nothing there is very clear. You feel that everything is general. Look at the section about the introduction. There is A, B, C, three divisions there. The hook in the form of a question, then connecting information, then the thesis in the form of a phrase, we can say, or an undeveloped sentence, incomplete sentence, the services of the library. So it's vague, it's not clear, but it's an outline. It's like when you start writing, actually you don't have everything in mind. You can just jot down whatever comes to your mind. This is, I think, the first thing that comes to your mind when you start writing. Just vague descriptions of the things you want to discuss. The body, this is number 2. I have 3 divisions, A, B, and C. I have internet service, I have book loan service, I have photocopying service. So I'll discuss in my body 3 ideas, and again notice that these ideas are not written in the form of complete sentences, just phrases, we can say, or just unfinished or expressions, unfinished expressions that will just direct you to the ideas, just hint at the ideas without developing them. Finally, you have the conclusion, and there's nothing under the conclusion except this statement, restatement of the thesis. So you are going just to take the thesis out of the introduction and rephrase it maybe and place it there as your conclusion. Now, I want you to notice a number of things about this outline. I used Roman numerals to indicate the major divisions of the essay: introduction, body, and conclusion. Notice the introduction, I have 1 in Roman. The body, I have 2 in Roman. And I have the conclusion, again, I have number 3 as a Roman numeral. I used A, B, C, etc., alphabetical ordering, and notice they are in capital letters, to indicate the minor divisions under the body paragraph, the supporting ideas in your body paragraph. See? So in under body, I have A, internet service, B, book loan service, C, photocopying service. Under the introduction, I have A, hook, B, connecting information, C, thesis. And also note that the words are written in capital letters. Hook is in capital letters, again connecting, again thesis, again internet, book, and photocopying. The hook and the connecting information of the introduction are not stated. So this is again one of the things we note in the outline. Hook, and then I have colon, a question. Is the hook stated? Is the hook written? It's not. Connecting information, again I have this expression, but I don't have any kind of information stated. The thesis is written as an incomplete sentence, and so are the items or ideas under the body. They are written in the form of unfinished expressions or sentences. Number 2, the thesis is not written as a complete sentence. This has been discussed. There is only one body paragraph in this short essay which discusses 3 supporting details. The conclusion division, the conclusion part, has no details except that it restates, or it's intended as a restatement of the thesis.